This is not FUD, guys. This is not FUD. A death cross is looming on the Bitcoin chart. And the last time we talked about this death cross right here, it wasn't this close, okay? It wasn't this close. But right now it's getting even closer. It's inching even closer. The 50 EMA about to cross below the 200 EMA on a daily candle right here. And what does this mean? Guys, a death cross is always, it always has a bearish outcome. Every time we had a death cross on a daily candle for Bitcoin looking this way, we always had a steep drop in price, all right? But right now, the price is trying to hold this line. If we look through history, you would see that in 2020, the last death cross we had on a daily candle was during the COVID drop. You can see how steep this was. Of course, we know what could cause this kind of drop. But then again, we know that the scenario is always bearish. The scenario is always bearish. Of course, just like other technical indicators, technical analysis is a self-fulfilling prophecy. You have to understand that people are working with this. Traders are working with this. Investors are working with this too. So that is why we call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, which is supposed to happen. If people expect that the death cross will bring drops, then they are probably going to shut the market, or they're going to exit the market out of fear. Again, in 2019, you saw this big drop that happened when the death cross happened here. Okay, this is another big drop that happened here. But of course, you should understand that this wouldn't really call it the tick of the bull season. Not like now is the tick of the bull season anyway. Then another one happened in 2018. You can see this cross right here and the big drop that happened. We actually had a drop, a very big drop anyway, from the top of the global top of the market in early 2018. The drop happened then before the death cross actually happened. Now let's go back to our charts. But one thing you should understand is that the moving average is a lagging indicator. Okay, so you could actually argue that this death cross is a lagging indicator because it uses the moving average here. So this does not really tell that the price may drop. It doesn't guarantee that the price will drop steeply. But of course, there's always a chance because it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Now, but we have to pay attention to some crucial lines. We need to look at which support holds. If you look at this, if I switch this to a weekly candle, you'll see with me that this line is very crucial. We've been holding this line on the weekly candle right here. So I'm just going to expand this back to the daily and tell you, guys, these lines are important for us to hold. Around this 34, 600, 34, 500, we need to hold above this line. Then if we break this, we need to start looking towards the 30K region again. If we break 30K region, guys, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to tell you about being bullish at that point. Right now, you could see that even after breaking this downtrend that we identified in our last YouTube video, we have not sustained this uptrend. Bitcoin still of course, in the bear market, it's going to use the 200 EMA as a wedge. It's going to use it as resistance. So it is exactly what we saw here, and the price has dropped back to this line. It is still fair right now. You can see the bounce on the daily candle right here, but of course it's not looking so good. We need to see it move right back up. If anything, if this moving average is 50 EMA right here is going to be crossing back above. We don't need this death cross to happen, guys. To be honest, I don't want to see this death cross happen, because if it happens, it could lead to a self-fulfilling prophecy of people dumping the market, even if the market thinks it wants to go up, even if you think the market should go up, even if you think that we've not had a global top in this bull cycle. People might just trade it into reality. Okay, so this is what we should pay attention to, these two lines here. It's important to see how this crucial supports hold if the death cross happens. And maybe if they do hold well, we will be able to avoid any steep downside on the Bitcoin chart and the entire crypto charts. Of course, you know that if anything bad happens to Bitcoin, it's going to affect the altcoin. It's going to affect every single thing that you are trading. So guys, let me know what you're doing. I hope this analysis helps you in your decisions this weekend and over the coming days until our next video. Guys, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our social handles. Every link you need is in the description on this video. See you guys. Cheers.